Hello guys, welcome to part 2 of the coding video, Datapack video. In this video we're going to be doing the recipes and advancements. You didn't have to do the first part. You can always just download the recipes or crafting or advancements as a Datapack. And then you would have to use that namespace, but it's always easier to do your own namespace and stuff because you can add extra code with it. But anyways, let's get into the video of creating these things. So we're on the crafting recipe thing. You can do this with just code like this, but it's kind of better to use a website. It's just it's really just better. So if you want to make something smelting, like if you want to make rotten flesh when it's smelted turn into leather, you can do that, and you can do that for everything else. Smithing table, you can do this for some reason. Like why would okay. Anyways, so I'm just gonna do what this video was made for, enchanted golden apple. So we just need to find the gold blocks. So Zen walked in my room, so I had to talk to him. Tragic, horrible, oh god. Anyways, while I'm talking to Zen, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. I'm trying to hit 200 subscribers before April 17, which is Easter. So thank you so much. So let's get back into the video. So we just add, gold in the corners. We add a diamond in the middle, and we find the golden apple. Boom. Bop. Ba-da-ba-bop. Bam. I'm a genius. So we could, I think if we drag this. No. How do you set count? Okay, so we're gonna set this count to 64, because why? So we have enchanted golden apples. Don't add that to the game. And with exactly where we place, we don't want it to be disconfumbled and like that. No. We want it exactly how I made it. Okay, so we're gonna put that there. We're gonna crafting recipe, and we should be able to download. Now you can actually just download the data pack and skip the entire first part of the video, but if you do that, then you won't be able to do other cool things. So we're just gonna download the JSON file, and we have our subscribe and data and drycraft. So we're going to go where it says functions in our data pack. We're gonna go to our download folder. We're going to cut the crafting recipe, and we're gonna make a new folder and call it recipes. We're gonna click it there. We're gonna put paste. There we go. Now all we have to do is get gold and diamond. Crafting table. And boom, we get we get millions of enchanted golden apples. Just millions, utter millions. So that's everything. So if you just want to see how to make that, well, that's how you do it. Goodbye. Now, if you want to do another cool thing, one more cool thing before we end off the video. If we want to make some custom advancements along to go with, some of this. Maybe you're not interested in that, but I beat every single advancement. I want some new ones, right? So, let's get into that. So, we have our advancement generator. Simple. Display. We're going to put enchanted golden apple. We're going to name it golden crafting. not trying with the names. Craft an enchanted golden apple. Pretty simple. Frame, challenge. So challenge is like the different things. Here we have the regular square boxes, kind of boring. We don't actually have an example of goals. They're like ovals, and we have the challenge, which is the hard ones. You know, crafting an enchanted golden apple, kind of hard. So we're gonna put that. Yes, we want it to show in the chat and in the top right corner. We don't want it to be hidden. Now, if you want to connect it to a different one, like let's say we want to, it's an advancement that has to do with taming an animal, we would click this and it would go behind it. But we don't want to, so we're not going to click anything. Now, these are all the things Minecraft has already coded, so for their advancements, so the only thing we can do is just use theirs. So there's no crafting thing, but inventory change. And we can do items. And we go enchant. I keep putting in enchanted golden apple. Boom. Done. We've created our custom advancement. Now we can do rewards if we want to. We can do loot tables, which in another video, if you guys want, I can explain how to make loot tables. Kind of simple, but kind of a lot of time. So let's just give ourselves millions of XP. That's fine. We're going to download this. Trusty Jycraft, and we're gonna make a new folder next to functions and recipes, and we're gonna name it advancements. That's not how you spell advancements. Advancements. Also, if some of these aren't working, probably because you spelled it wrong. We're gonna copy this and we're going to go here. We're gonna paste it. Now we're gonna name this root. You'll see why after. We're going to do /reload, which it's going to clear our enchanted. The fox isn't running. So, with enchanted golden apples. Just by me getting it, we got the advancement, and it made its own little thing because we didn't connect it to any other one. And we didn't pick a texture, so it decided to pick its own texture. That's completely fine. Now, I'm going to do one more advancement so you guys can see how to make it add to each other. But I'll explain it once it's done. Okay, so here we have where the parent advancement. We don't want to add it to these. We want to add it to our own custom one. So we're going to do Jycraft. We're going to do ... I forgot what that's called. And we're going to name it root because that's what the original one is called. We're going to download it. We're going to go to downloads and we're going to cut. And we're going to do that. So this... we're going to rename it to Advancement 1. This doesn't have a parent. This is its own, and this has it as its parent. Kind of confusing, but not really. So if we wanted to have one parented to this one, we'd, instead of root, we'd put Advancement 1. And you want to put the namespace with the semicolon. Pretty simple. Now if we go to Minecraft and we throw these out our inventory so it doesn't get cleared. That was he took one of my apples. So we throw it and our inventory changed. So now if we eat one, he's a good little fox. We have both the advancements and it's parented to that one, and we've eaten a single fruit. That's how you do custom advancements. Now, that's going to do it all for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell. I will see you guys in the next Minecraft video. And if you want me to cover loot tables, so you can have, like, mini games where there's, like, chests, you know, like Sky Wars and something, I'll cover that I'll cover that in a video if you guys want. But, yeah, that's going to do it all for this video. Bye. I'm a code. I know how to code. I do the code. Code is load. Code.